Stay seated until our...
We're on the scariest ride at Magic Kingdom. We are just walking into Magic Kingdom at Florida. This is it. This is it. This is Florida. And I'm here for the first time in America on not the original, no, but the second original Main Street USA. This is where it happened. This is it. This is the go-to. And we're here. I've only been to the Paris version. Not got that on vlog though, have I? But for the first time I'm here, and with a shot like that, with a view like that. This is crazy. This is like every kid's dream to be here on Main Street USA. I'm here, not on the original, no, but the second original. It'll be 50 years in 2021, 1971. That's when it opened up. Main Street USA. This is when it all came through. This place, all here. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this adventure here. And I'm going to take you all the way around Magic Kingdom. But this is my first reaction, the excitement, the real thing. We're here. It's literally here. And for some reason, Halloween has started early, which I don't get. Halloween's in August. We're halfway through August, and it's Halloween. But anyway, come around with me, and I'm going to show you every step of the way of Main Street USA. Okay? Thank you. Go on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel on Main Street USA. We're on the scariest ride at Magic Kingdom. It's scarier than the Tower of Terror.
Stay seated until our train comes to...
Time to start our mountain challenge here at the Magic Kingdom. What mountain are you most looking forward to ride?
Everest.
No, that's not the mountain challenge.
Sorry, I can't remember which mountain. Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain, that's the brand new ride.
Sorry, dementia setting in.
We've never ridden before on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, and never at Disneyland Paris, because they don't have one. The mountain challenge, Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Space Mountain. Let's go on to our first mountain of Disney. Splash!
Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson. I'm glad you made it home safe and sound.
We're just getting on Splash Mountain at Magic Kingdom, Frontierland, and without even riding the other two mountains of Disneyland, that is my favourite one already. Splash Mountain. You've done a good job. aesthetically detailed, dark, you get wet. It's a good Disney stuff. You buy bears. Some people buy bears. Some people buy t-shirts, you know? Some people buy Splash Mountain, the first of the 3 mountains of Walt Disney World, and probably my favourite so far. Carry on the journey to find out how the others do, but I'm sorry I'm already ranking Splash Mountain as number 1.
Carefully step off the train. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way.
The biggest, most famousest mountain probably known to Walt Disney World. Big Thunder Mountain here at Walt Disney World did not tender to our needs. Where's the island? Not much speed. A few nice shots, but I'm sorry, you're not my favourite mountain so far. So that is going to number 2. Of course, Splash Mountain number 1 is my number 1 favourite water ride. Tidal Wave is good, but Splash Mountain might just top that off at Walt Disney World in Frontierland, Splash Mountain. No way? What's your favourite mountain? That's what I want to know. You can let me know in the comments below. Have a discussion about it. Only on the Super Blackwood YouTube channel for the Walt Disney World vlog. Let me just adjust my headwear. Disneyland, what are you doing? It's not Halloween yet. Friday night hasn't started until October. What are you playing at? What are you lying for? Why are you lying? This is good as store the ride. Yeah. Hello. You're on YouTube. A bit bumpy, I tell you that.